It seems impossible to build up concentration bead after bead, even determined. Can you please explain what actual causes the change of thought? It's karma, time, getting unfolding. See, like a child, you have to do what is being told. Then because what you have to do is very simple. No, direct instruction is there from Prabhupada. At least mindful chanting is so direct. You do. I have given in the experience in the module 28 when you began, not on module 28, 38, where I have explained about the practice session. I have told you should be. It should be like a mood of a child. Please become less complicated. Just be like a child, obedient like a child. And Prabhupada's chanting is just about 15-20 beats. And that again he's giving us instruction again. So can you not follow Prabhupada's instruction for 15 beats at a time? That much determination is not there. I don't want to do 108 and all. I want to do 15. Again he will tell something. Again I will follow till he tells. So almost like a child, we should learn how to practice, how to teach your mind. I want to say the same thing to the previous question also. Somebody who is not relishing this chanting come hearing. See, if something is given, if you don't do exactly what is told, if you don't get the result, you cannot blame the process. You have to follow. As far as mindful chanting is concerned, there is no question of failure. By Prabhupada's mercy, we have all jointly discovered that splicing technique for practice. While during this session, while we were discussing this evolved, this discovery was made. Initially I had given some printout and you sit with the printout and see printout now and then. Very clumsy method. Prabhupada and Krishna gave inspiration. Here it is. I myself will give the push. I am the one who has asked the whole world to chant Hare Krishna. Now I will teach everybody how to chant Hare Krishna. Every 15 beats I will come and give you a push. Train yourself. That means you have to be obedient to Prabhupada for 30 days. According to what those. If you are not ready for that, then nothing can be done. What is karma, time and all, kala and all? Nothing. Any kind of disturbance will throw away. Holy name is so powerful if you follow. If you don't follow, suppose I told you, okay, which is the way to walk towards the Himalayas? I say go north. You go out of the gate and you go on pursuing south directions. You will never reach. The problem is, not following. Similarly, many things are very simple. Simple does not mean it is easy. Simple does not mean it is easy. Once you get to the track, it's easy. But otherwise, very easy to go to the simple path. Your mind always complicates.